How to download YouTube videos at high quality. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and further open the video that you want to download. Make sure that you cannot download all the videos on YouTube and you can only download the videos that the user allows. So tap on the video you want to download, and once you see the download option there, tap on the download option and further select the highest quality you see there. For me, it's 720 pixels for this particular video. Also ensure that in order to be able to download the video of higher quality, you need to have a premium account. So go ahead and subscribe to YouTube Premium if you do not already have a premium account in order to further download the video in higher quality. So this is how you can download YouTube videos at higher quality. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.